got here? How about a 2023 Jayco Jay Flight, model number 34 RSBS? Folks, this is like your typical fifth wheel floor plan. Opposing slides out back for an awesome living room, and a slide out in the bedroom with a king size bed. It's winding outside. Let's go in. 2 slides. Here's a great spot to mount your TV outside. Outside speakers too. That's right. I said winding. Je suis français, so I can make up words as I go. Let's go. All right, 4 chairs and a table. Oh, that's for travel. All right. We have Stacy Stewart reclining theater seats with these removable tables. Sofa out back does convert to a very nice bed. Look at the size of this TV. Fireplace throws out some heat on those chilly nights. Beautiful center island with lots of storage. Pantry, nice and deep. Here's a look at the beautiful Norcold fridge, 12 volt. Great spot there for your coffee maker. Oven, 3 burner stove, high point microwave, double sink, a residential style faucet, plugs all over the place, USB connections, plugs. Here's your control center for 2 of the slide outs and the power awning. Porcelain toilet. Nice stand-up shower that are bigger than most. Medicine cabinet. Hello, storage. Bedroom up next. Whammo! King size bed, folks. Dresser. Great spot here to mount another TV. Yeah, we got a solar panel system, folks. Check out this bed. Within the slide out, you got opposing windows for great cross ventilation. Of course, you got that sliding door nicely finished out. All right, let's take a look at the storage here. Oh yeah, lots of it. Super deep. And exactly the same on this side. All right, if you are looking for a nice fifth wheel floor plan, awesome for a couple or teenagers, look no further. Way less money than a fifth wheel, but the same quality. And it's priced right. Folks, please give one of our friendly sales staff a call ahead of time so we can get this opened up for you and ready for show. We'll get it lit up too. Bye for now. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.